In the next few minutes, I'll unveil the blueprint that's helping ordinary entrepreneurs hit extraordinary numbers. I'm talking 10K a month leveraging the power of AI and cold email. In the bustling digital market, 3 pivotal pieces complete the success puzzle. First, we crack the numbers game, decoding the math that spells profit or loss. Next, we become martyr artisans sculpting offers so irresistible they practically sell themselves. And finally, we'll draft a battle plan for outreach that not just noise, but a symphony of strategic communication. These are the cornerstones of your 10K per month empire. Let's build it piece by piece. To turn your goals into reality, you must define your target. Think of it like a marksman. Without knowing where the bullseye is, you're just firing arrows into the wind. When we talk about knowing your numbers, it's about understanding the path to victory broken down by the numbers. Let's start with this hypothetical example. To determine the number of emails required, let's work backwards from the required number of sales for each offer. For a $500 offer, you need 20 sales to make $10,000. At 30% conversion rate from calls to sales, you need approximately 67 calls. If 75% of the booked calls show up, then we need 90 booked calls. With 15% of replies leading to book calls, you need 600 replies. At a reply rate of 1%, you'd need 60,000 emails. And then if we factor in a 50% open rate, we'd need to send 120,000 emails to achieve our target. If we use the exact percentages but for offers of 1,000 and 2,500 with a slight deviation, then the result would be 89,400 for the $1,000 offer and 48,000 emails for the $2,500 offer. Now that's quite a bit of emails, but we can both observe that as the price of the offer goes up, the number of people you need to reach out to decreases. But the challenge is, each outreach needs to be more tailored, more personalized, and warmer, thus affecting both your booking and conversion rates negatively. Each step of the sales process compounds, resulting in needing to send a large number of emails to achieve the required number of sales, especially for lower priced offers. Each scenario has its dynamics. More offers and more outreach versus higher ticket offers with more personalized outreach and potentially lower conversion rates. It's all about finding the sweet spot that aligns with your business model and your target audience's expectations. Now, we can drastically change the output of emails by improving upon specific aspects of your approach. One of which is ensuring that your offer is so irresistible that people would feel stupid for saying no, and ensuring that you personalize your messages so that your targeted lead is receptive and willing to listen to what you have to say. Understand the foundation of a compelling offer is not just about what you're selling, but how well you know those you're selling to. The secret is, dive deep into understanding their goals, objectives, and notably, their problems and pain points. This insight allows you to tailor your offerings to act as a key, unlocking the specific needs of your audience. So picture this. A woman fitness trainer focusing her energy not on the broad spectrum of everyone wanting to shed weight, but on zooming in on busy stay-at-home moms who want to lose pregnancy weight without neglecting their motherly roles. The deliverable of the offer doesn't matter as much. It could be a course or it could be a coaching program. However, this specificity in targeting solves a distinct problem for a unique audience, enhancing the relevance and appeal of the offer. Now consider the objections your target audience might harbor. Time constraints or lack of resources perhaps. Address these head-on, presenting your offer as a neatly packaged solution to their hesitations. Let's take our fitness trainer, for instance. She anticipates the concerns of a stay-at-home mom, which might be her time, the equipment. So she can meticulously craft her program to only demand just 30 to 40 minutes a day, using only what's readily available at home. This directly aligns with solving the unique challenges her audience faces, making her offer not just appealing, but practically a no-brainer for her target clientele. Finally, the cherry on top are the bonuses and a dash of urgency. It's about sweetening the deal while nudging your audience towards acting swiftly. Our savvy fitness trainer could elevate her offer by including meal prep plans or even coordinating meal deliveries, therefore covering any aspect of her audience's weight loss journey. To infuse a sense of urgency, she might add that these exclusive bonuses are only up for grabs for those who act within the next 30 days. This strategy isn't just about adding value, it's about creating a compelling reason for immediate action, capitalizing on the natural human inclination to not want to miss out. Remember, this isn't just about selling, it's about solving in a way that resonates, persuades, and ultimately converts. Let's talk about execution. In the final lap to our 10K per month goal, we're going to harness the power of AI to not just reach, but exceed our targets. This journey begins with smartly gathering data on potential leads. Enter Magical, a tool that's about to become your best friend in scraping valuable information about your prospects. Combined with a robust mass sending tool, we're setting the stage for efficiency and impact, but with a twist. Instead of solely relying on pre-populated databases that many have access to, we are going to adopt a strategy I like to call Investiquire. No, this isn't a real word, but this means we take a moment longer in the initial phase to ensure we're not just harvesting leads, but we're curating a list that aligns perfectly with our sphere of influence. The goal? To reach out to prospects nobody else is talking to in quite the same way. Now let's talk first contact. Remember the SSS rule. Short, simple, and sweet. Here's an example. Hey, first name, how's business? Notice you're offering fitness coaching in the enter location area. I know it's been a busy month, but I'm looking for fitness professionals who are keen on growing their clientele pool by 25% in the next 60 days. And no, it's not through paid ads. Would you be interested in a service like this? Kind regards, Michael C. P.S. Quick bonus for you. Here's a case study showing exactly how I helped Marissa last month generate an extra $10,000 from just 10 clients. Link here. This approach isn't just about making an offer. It's about a conversation starter, demonstrating that you've done your homework and you're offering a real solution. After the initial outreach, it's all about the engagement. Now, using Magical's template feature, we can tailor follow-up responses efficiently, ensuring that we're nurturing those leads effectively. This isn't just about sending emails, it's about building relationships and demonstrating value right from the start. In this final phase, the focus is on execution, yes, but it's also about intelligent interaction. It's using AI and a bit of strategic finesse to ensure that our outreach isn't just heard, but that it resonates with our target audience. In our exploration of turning knowledge into action and numbers into narratives, we've discovered the profound impact of truly understanding our audience and honing in on meticulously qualified leads. Suddenly, the number of emails needed to hit our sales targets for each offer reduces significantly. This isn't just about reducing the workload or cutting down on digital clutter. It's about efficiency and precision. Less is indeed more here. By sending fewer emails, we drastically reduce costs associated with time, resources, and even the potential for subscriber burnout. Most importantly, by increasing our profit margins, we ensure that the energy we invest in communication is not just expended, but invested, yielding returns that resonate far beyond mere numbers. Now, what you can do is carve out some time in the next few days to start integrating these steps towards achieving your first $10,000 per month. Then circle back here in a few months and I'd love to hear your progress. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.